Not to be dramatic, but you're gonna have dreams about this pasta. It's that sexy. And for the pesto in this one, I've added few green chilies to give it that desi spicy edge and blended into a coarse sauce with a sinful amount of olive oil. Now for your chicken breast, marinate it with the following spices, mix it well and cook it in a pan till tender, juicy and cooked through. Once you take your chicken out, in the same pan goes your veggies, your pesto and your favorite cooked pasta shape, a little bit of pasta water to give it that silky restaurant style finish. At last, sprinkle on your favorite cheese, throw on that grilled chicken and my forever favorite olives. Looks so tempting, right? Save it for when you crave that fancy treat for yourself.